Guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix left alt and Windows key swapped. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your keyboard here or your on-screen keyboard, well, in this case, there are a few things that you need to do here. So first things first is you want to make sure that when you open up your on-screen keyboard here and press the appropriate buttons, it actually corresponds to what that key or what that specific button does. So typically, when you press on Alt, it should highlight Alt here. So if you press on the Windows key, it will highlight the Windows key here. Now, if you press other buttons here, like for example, I want to press the FN button here, it should also light that up. But in some cases, it might not light up here. But yeah, so what you could do here is you want to make sure that everything matches up. So if it actually matches here, then in this case, or if the keys doesn't match up in here, it most likely mean that there are problems with the software that you are currently using. So I would recommend you try doing here is maybe disconnect your keyboard and try a different port on your actual PC and see if that solves your issue. But if that doesn't solve your issue, the next thing that you can do here is you want to try a combination of keys here on your keyboard. So first is you want to try FN and A. In this case, that should fix your issue. But if that doesn't solve your issue, try pressing the FN and S at the same time on your keyboard, and again, see that if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.